French press is a triceps isolation exercise, great for opening up the range on the tricep. You're gonna open up the shoulders and open up the tricep by doing this. So it looks like this. One dumbbell overhead, hold it so you're not going to drop it on your head, starts in the lockout position, lower it down behind your back, behind your head, and then lift back up overhead again. So very simple, but you're going to make sure that your elbows are pulled in towards your head, you're engaging through the triceps all the way, you're elevating your shoulders and opening up the shoulders as much as you can. When I say open up, I mean pulling. In this case, we're pulling the elbows back as far as we can so that the armpit opens up nicely. That is the French press.